friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm glad to have you back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter bars. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. To make peanut butter bars, I'm going to be using some cream crackers, peanut butter, and butter. So guys, I'm going to start by crushing my crackers. Now I'm going to crush this until I have a crumbly texture. And here is our final product, so I'm going to set this aside. Next, I'm going to bring my crushed crackers into a mixing bowl. And to this, I'm going to add half cup of creamy peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to mix this with a spatula until it's well combined. After mixing this and it has formed a paste, next I'm going to transfer this into a pan lined with a parchment paper. So you make sure you oil the bottom of your pan first so it will be easy to lift this out. Next, I'm going to spread this out to form a shape. And then I will set it aside. Next, I'm going to melt 200 grams of dark chocolate. Now I'm going to melt my chocolate using a double boiler. So I'm just going to break this into smaller pieces. Once my chocolate starts to melt, I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter to it and allow it to melt completely. Once your chocolate is melted, you should have a runny consistency like this. You can add a little butter to melt it if you want it a little bit runny. Next, I'm going to spread the melted chocolate into the mold containing the peanut mixture. Just enough to cover the whole peanut. Next, I'm going to tilt this to cover the whole peanuts in the mold. So I'm just going to tap this a few times to make sure it's evenly spread out. Next, I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter to design the top of our peanut butter bars. Once I'm done, I'm just going to tap this again. Next, I'm going to drop my mold in the fridge for 2 hours to set. So guys, after leaving the mold in the fridge for 2 hours, our peanut butter bar is really set. Okay, So it's time to lift this out of the pan. Voila, and we have our peanut butter bar. Next, we are going to cut this into smaller peanut butter bars. So guys, after cutting my peanut butter bars into small squares, they are ready. You can enjoy this right away, but just be careful because this is very addictive. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please, if you are new here, subscribe and like this video, and also you can share this with your friends. Until next time guys, love you all, bye.